Hey, it's Tim here. I haven't made a video on this channel in a really long time. That's largely because I've actually had another channel that I've been growing, Tableau Tim. If you haven't seen that already, go check it out. It's mostly an analytics focused channel around Tableau, but I'm going to start making videos on other technology products as well. I started that channel because I realized that I could bring my two passions together, the love for making and editing videos together with the thing I did for work, which was analytics. So that channel has been doing really, really well, but I've realized that I can't talk about the things that I really enjoy talking about in terms of technology. So YouTube punishes you when you put content that's slightly outside of your usual, norm. So if I upload a technology video to Tableau Tim, what will happen is my audience, which is mostly Tableau focused, won't like the videos. It won't perform as well. And then YouTube will sort of start to punish me, generally speaking, because I've put up a video that doesn't perform well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to reinvigorate this channel and make it a place for all of those thoughts. So what tools I use, what apps I use, what technology I use, what setup I have to do all of this stuff. I'm going to put all of it here to make it nice and easy and accessible. And it will also allow me to do things that I can't do on that channel. So just, for example, make a drone video. That's not something I could do on another channel. So I can just do those, upload this onto this channel and be done with it essentially. So this is a video to say that, look, if you're one of the 100 subscribers, thank you so much for still being subscribed, even though I've put no content out in a year. Stay tuned. I'm going to make more content in the next few weeks and months. It might be sort of erratic. You might just sort of see clips of random things that I've recorded but never edited for a long time. So apologies for that. But that's also sort of the point of this. I'm just trying things out, trying to see what works. I have so many ideas of things I could do outside of analytics that I think would work really well. And I sort of want to really put it to the test in another format on another channel. So that's what this channel is going to be. There's no fancy name. The channel is just named after me, Tim Nguyen. That's it. I'm not going to do anything silly with naming. We're just going to keep it simple. This is a channel about my passions, and so we're just going to name it after myself. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for the uploads we have over the next few weeks and months. Please give me critique and feedback in the comments. I really love that kind of stuff. It really helps me engage with people as well. And yeah, if there's a topic around apps and technology that you'd like me to sort of dive into that I use or you've seen me use or anything like that, then this is the place to do that. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next upload.